Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 675. The title of today's lesson is the difference between have yet and as yet. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, this is a little bit of a difficult one, and sometimes even not easy for a native speaker to answer this question directly. But let's get into it. So if a person says have yet, it means one is planning to do something, or there is an expectation one will do an activity, task, or that some event will happen. Of course, there is some chance it may not happen at all. So this is a key thing to remember with have yet. It's not 100%. It may actually eventually happen, but there is some chance that it may never ever happen. Okay. Now with as yet, it simply means up to now. So the focus is on, not at this point yet. Up to now or up to this time, but the situation will definitely happen or cause a change, or you will get some sort of a clear answer. As yet is used in negative statements to describe a situation up to this point or the present time. All right, that's another key part too. When you use as yet, it has to be used in negative statements. That is not true for have yet. All right. And we got several examples here so you can get a better feel of how we use both of them. Here's the first one. They have yet to make a decision. All right, now with this one, I don't know what it's about, but sometimes when people have to make a decision, sometimes they never make the decision. So there is some possibility that it won't happen. In some ways, that is kind of a decision too, by not making a decision. But technically, a lot of times if we say somebody has yet to make a decision, sometimes they never do. All right, let's continue. We have yet to figure out what is causing this. All right, well, this could be anybody trying to figure out a situation, why something is happening. Could be scientists. Sometimes they don't figure it out. Sometimes they never figure it out, or, that's it. So, number 3, the police have yet to solve this case. Yeah. There's a lot of cases the police never solve. They're called cold cases. They eventually run out of hints, and they just get filed, and they're never, ever, ever solved. So we tend to use have yet with situations like this. Now, is it possible that at some point they will solve it? Yes. So with have yet, there is that possibility that it will one day get solved, but not yet. Okay. Let's continue. All right. Number 4, as yet. As yet, she has not received an acceptance or rejection letter for her application to that university. All right, 2 things. First of all, it's a not, so there's a negative. Okay. And, when you send out an application to a university, they probably will eventually get back to you, either telling you you've been accepted, or sorry, not this time, or, not at this time, we can't accept you. So you will probably get an answer. Now, doesn't mean it's right away. It could be, they can make you wait a lot longer. Sometimes they're not deciding 100%, until they got a close idea how many students they have or don't have. All right, let's continue. Number 5, as yet, the jury has not announced the verdict. So they must announce a verdict of innocent, guilty, or a hung jury. So there will be an answer coming. In most cases, it will be just either innocent or guilty. In the far majority cases, there are every now and then there is a situation where they can't decide because maybe there's 1 or 2 people that won't vote with all the other people, and you could have a hung jury. But either way, they have to say that. It can only go so long without getting an answer. So here we say as yet. So it is expected to happen in the near future. Maybe it'll take days, maybe weeks. But it will come. All right. Number 6, as yet, the doctor has not spoken to the family about the outcome of the operation. All right. So this is probably a situation where one of their family members had a serious operation and the doctor didn't get to them. Now, it's almost certain that the doctor will talk to at least somebody in that family about how the operation went. I don't know, maybe it'll take hours before they do it, but they will do it. So we say as yet. And again, all of these are with the negative. They have not done it up to this point yet. Okay, anyway, I hope you got a better feel of when we are more likely to use one of these terms instead of the other. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.